This tutorial will walk you through how to make a crossbody sling bag with zipper pockets, side pockets for water bottle, and pockets on the inside. I designed this so that it could be made using half-yard remnants of fabric that you might have left over from other projects. You can download the free pattern for this tutorial by following the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, we are going to put the back of the bag together. Place your 12-inch zipper face down on the back bottom piece and sew along the edge. After sewing, press the zipper away from the fabric piece. Now you want to get your back top piece and place the zipper and bottom face down on the back top piece and sew along that edge. Then press the top away from the zipper. Now we're going to do the same thing with the front of the bag. So get your 9-inch zipper and place it face down on the bottom of the bag and sew along the edge. And then you want to get the top front piece, place it face down on the zipper and sew along the edge. So now you should have the completed front and back of your sling bag. So next we're going to apply interfacing to both of the lining pieces. After that, now get your inner pockets and fold over the seam allowance at the bottom of the pocket piece. Then you want to hem the upper edge of the inner pocket pieces. Place your pockets on top of the lining and sew along the sides and the bottom. Next, you want to attach your lining to the front and back pieces. With wrong sides together, baste the front and back to the linings all the way around the perimeter. Now let's get our strap ready. To start with the strap, you're going to apply interfacing to the strap piece, then sew the batting layer around the perimeter to your strap. After that, you are going to place the lining and strap right sides together and sew them along both sides. Then turn the strap to the right side and sew a line of stitches all the way down the center. This will keep the batting in place. Next, you want to baste the strap to the back bag piece at the top and the side. It doesn't matter which side you baste it to, it just depends how you want to carry your bag. So baste the strap to the top and one side of the back piece. The wrong side of the strap should be face down, and you will need to ease the curves together between the strap and the bag. Now let's get the side bag ready. Fold over 1 inch on the zipper overlap piece, using the fold line as a guide. Press it in place and baste if necessary. Now you want to line up the zipper with the edge of the overlap and stitch through all the layers. The zipper should be face down on the wrong side of the overlap piece. Now you want to get your other zipper piece and place it face down on the zipper and sew along the edge. Then press it away from the zipper. Now you want to get your side bag piece and sew it to your zipper on the short edges with the right sides together. Time to get the side pockets ready. Sew the side pockets to the lining along the top and the bottom with right sides together. Turn the side pockets to the right side and then create a casing by stitching 5/8 inch from the top edge. Cut 2 6-inch pieces of 1/2 inch elastic and insert the elastic through the casing. Sew it on both sides to secure the elastic. Line up the side pockets with the side bag pieces and sew along the sides and bottom. The elastic at the top of the pocket should be in line with the seam between the two side bag pieces, so right where the zipper starts. Now you want to sew the side to the front bag with right sides together. In the same manner, you want to sew the back bag to the side. To finish the seams and reinforce them, bind the seams by folding double fold bias tape around them. You can also use twill tape or something similar. This will enclose the seam so that it won't fray over time, and it will help make sure the bag can stand up to heavier use. Then you want to turn the bag to the right side and get the base ready. Hem one side of the base, then fold it in half and sew it along the other two edges. Turn the base to the right side and insert a piece of cardboard. Then insert the base to the bottom of the bag to give it more support. And now you're already finished. You have a crossbody sling bag.